Xeriscaping. Finally, a word beside xylophone that starts with an X. But more importantly, xeriscaping means dry landscaping for dry areas like the western U.S., and it involves 7 principles. 1. Sound landscaping planning and design. 2. Limitation of turf and/or lawn to appropriate and functional areas. 3. Use of water-efficient plants. 4. Efficient irrigation. 5. Soil amendments. 6. Use of mulches. 7. Appropriate landscape maintenance. Along with these principles, the most important thing to consider is planning. That and not telling people you're a xeriscaper, unless you want to stop getting invited to parties. First, figure out which zones will need the most water and combine plants with similar watering needs in the same zones. If the customer wants turf, that would almost definitely need the most. Grass species like blue oat and blue fescue grass provide interesting texture, but require less watering and upkeep. Take that, normal grass. Make sure you choose the right type of grass for the region for the best results. Second, check out the current irrigation system to see if anything needs to be upgraded. Replace old spray heads with high-efficiency nozzles. If your customer asks for a complete overhaul, consider drip irrigation systems. Rain sensors and soil moisture sensors paired with a smart irrigation controller are another smart upgrade. These monitor water levels and tell the system to stop watering when moisture levels are high. Use native plants when possible. Plants that are already adapted to the environment help soil infiltration. Native plants also minimize mosquitoes and attract wildlife like butterflies and hummingbirds. Much more effective than calling, "Here, hummingbird, hummingbird." Good news, these days you can go way beyond the old clay and cacti. There are lots of options that please your clients while reducing waste, from perennials to succulents to colorful varieties. Ask your Site 1 branch associate about the varieties best suited to your area. Mulch laid on top of planter beds helps prevent evaporation, moderates soil temperature, and reduces weeds. All sorts of varieties can be found at Site 1. There's no I in team, but there is one in Xeriscaping. So how does all of this benefit you? Maintenance and upsells. Even though xeriscapes need less traditional maintenance, they will still need to be pruned and fertilized. Irrigation will need to be checked and serviced on a routine basis, and mulching will need to be redone yearly. Pest control is also still going to be a factor to consider and charge for during maintenance visits. Xeriscaping is a great opportunity to incorporate hardscapes and lighting in addition to xeriscape work, so customers have beautiful areas for entertaining. Paver patterns with open earth between pavers, along with permeable pavers, look attractive, connect and define areas, and allow water to percolate. Xeriscaping is rapidly becoming more popular with more water restrictions and greater environmental awareness. As a business owner, adapting to meet customer demand will serve you well. For tips and support, just visit your local Site 1 branch for assistance with Xeriscaping today.